Windows 12, Microsoft's latest operating system, is bringing a host of new features and enhancements. In this video, we'll explore everything new with Windows 12, updates to the interface, graphics and widget adjustments, AI-powered tools, taskbar improvements, and much more. With Windows 12, AI becomes central to the operating system. Microsoft introduces an advanced Copilot assistant to help users with daily tasks, from smart suggestions for email responses to document editing, making workflow faster and more efficient. Additionally, the AI-powered timeline feature allows you to keep track of events more systematically, automatically organizing tasks and reminders to optimize your workflow. Windows 12's AI-based search function also allows quick access to files and apps, ranking results based on your usage habits through smart algorithms. Windows 12's AI-powered Paint and other graphic tools make it easier to edit images. Paint, in particular, now includes smart image editing features like background removal and object extraction, creating convenience for content creators and everyday users alike. Windows 12 leverages AI to enhance your video and gaming experiences by improving visual quality. It includes an AI upscaling feature that brings old videos and games up to higher resolutions and smoother graphics. This is especially valuable for boosting game performance. Windows 12 is designed with a more dynamic and visually appealing layout. With live wallpapers, users can experience a more interactive desktop, adding movement to the workspace and increasing personalization options. Widgets in Windows 12 are more customizable, adapting to individual user habits. Desktop access to information is quicker, and widgets can be updated in real time with features like weather, calendar, and to-do lists. Windows 12 brings significant improvements in gaming performance. Microsoft is refining its direct storage technology to reduce game load times and boost graphic performance. Applications like Paint, WordPad, and Photos also receive updates, with more user-friendly interfaces and advanced editing tools. The taskbar in Windows 12 becomes more functional and flexible, allowing users to personalize screen layouts and work more comfortably. The Start menu has also been redesigned to be more straightforward, offering quick access to frequently used apps. Windows 12 will require certain hardware specifications to run smoothly. Minimum requirements include 64 GB of free storage and at least 8 GB of RAM. Compared to Windows 11, Windows 12 demands more RAM and storage, but delivers a faster experience with its advanced features. Windows 12 is highly anticipated and is officially scheduled to release in 2025. For those considering purchasing a new computer, our advice is to wait. When devices with full Windows 12 compatibility and optimized performance hit the market, you'll have the chance to invest in a system that fully integrates with this OS, enabling you to experience all its advantages. Windows 12 is arriving as an operating system that will push the limits for both individual users and professionals with its new features. In this video, we took a closer look at Windows 12, sharing the latest information on how it's set to transform our computing experience in the future. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel to stay updated on tech news like this, and turn on the notification bell. So, what do you think will be the most exciting feature of Windows 12? We look forward to hearing your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video.